To auto-enable the exercise mode when you open a specific workout app in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap exercise, tap turn on automatically. Next, tap app open, and then select the desired workout app under app section that you like to use to trigger this mode. Tap done button, and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, now the exercise mode will turn on automatically when you are opening the workout app that you have selected before. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.